This video will provide a short overview of Black Mountain Expense, our cloud-based expense reporting software. This software is made up of 3 user roles: the submitter, approver, and admin. The submitter can upload receipts, create expenses, and combine these expenses to create reports. The approver can do all of the above and also approve or reject reports. The admin has full access to all the modules within the system, as well as the settings module, which allows customization of the system. The dashboard is what you'll be greeted with when you first log on. Here you can find a few quick links at the top. You can view report summaries and your recent reports. On the left is the toolbar which will navigate you through the system. First you have the receipt inbox. This is where you'll upload your receipts. There are 6 different ways in which you can upload your receipts, the most popular of which being the auto scan. This will detect certain sections within the receipts. Secondly, you've got the expenses tab. This is where all your expenses will be once they have gone through the receipt inbox. Next you have the reports. This is when you combine your expenses into reports, and they're all viewed here. Black Mountain Expenses supports many different cards, corporate and personal. Here you can load your card, which will sync automatically daily. This makes it especially easy to record all the transactions. You're also able to record advance payments. This section is reports approval. This won't be seen by the submitter, but only the approver or admin. This is a section you'll see when you need to approve any reports. The next section you'll see is the analytics. The submitter will be able to run reports based on their own data, whereas the admin will be able to run reports on data throughout the organization. All these reports can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, or more. Lastly, you've got the admin section. This is obviously only seen by the admin, where you can add users, edit your settings, add policies, and view the integration options between the different apps. This syncs completely with Black Mountain People. This system is available on mobile apps, which makes adding transactions or expenses on the move really easy. A great tool for any organization.